24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano generally is drifting at $300,410,136 in an unobtrusive manner. ADA down around 3.98% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano truly is floating at $300,410,136, which generally is genuinely critical. Cardano's EMA for the most part shows a truly descending pattern, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano truly shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The 9th of June 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to respond to these habitually sought clarification on some pressing issues. What in every way that really matters is momentary cost expectation for Cardano. Generally is ADA a sort of wise interest in an essentially significant manner. Cardano support and opposition levels and so on, which sort of is very huge. In any case, prior to plunging extremely profound into the ADA specialized examination, generally let us sort of discuss the really current economic situations, or so they explicitly thought. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours. There basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,106,973,065,872, or so they fundamentally thought. The very complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $25,050,644,957, which by and large is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 46.63% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in a really significant manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM basically has seen a value diminishing of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, which generally is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39, following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time span. Especially further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM essentially has seen a value lessening of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly is genuinely critical. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP generally, is up by 1.93 and right now exchanging at 53 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is genuinely critical. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in a really descending bearing for sort of momentary in an unpretentious manner. Right now, an essentially broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which sort of is very huge. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized markers used to recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which for the most part is very huge. Support especially is a level at which purchasers generally become genuinely more truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly is very critical. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which vendors for the most part become move kind of dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the ADA specialized examination. By and large, let us especially discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations in an essentially huge way. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. Cardano execution ADA explicitly has recorded a downtrend, losing 3.98% in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours, or so they truly thought. The essentially current worth of Cardano certainly is floating at 32 cents with the exchanging volume of $300,410,136 USD in the equivalent time period in an especially significant manner. The generally market cap for ADA generally is $11,046,933,450 USD, while the coin cost changes 15.61% throughout the week. Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Examination for the 9th of June 2023 inside a by and large day-to-day time period truly made sense of underneath, showing how similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors generally move fundamentally dynamic and in every way that really matters. Prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the ADA specialized investigation. In a real sense, let us truly discuss the all things considered, current economic situations in an unpretentious way. We utilize sort of relative strength index, moving pretty normal union and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal and outstanding moving truly normal to examine the future development of the Cardano in an unobtrusive manner. In fact, the ADA, USD moving in every practical sense, normal union and uniqueness pointer certainly is demonstrating a very present moment in a real sense fundamentally signal as the MACD line sort of is moving underneath genuinely signal line which by and large means fundamentally bears sort of are overwhelming on the lookout, showing how support sort of is a level at which purchasers explicitly become most certainly more beautiful dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any really further in an especially huge manner. While ADA's Williams %R pointer by and large is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition, the exchange certainly signal in a real sense is fundamentally conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how the ADA USD moving truly normal combination and uniqueness marker truly is demonstrating a truly present moment certainly sell kind of sign as the MACD line for the most part is moving beneath fundamentally signal line which sort of means basically bears by and large are overwhelming on the lookout, showing how support truly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become kind of more for the most part dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is very critical. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and truly is attempting to especially break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength. So the in general market cap for ADA truly is $11,046,933,450 USD while the coin cost changes 15.61% over the course of the week, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The coin explicitly is going down as it truly break under two pivotal help levels of 35 cents and 33 cents. Showing how the ADA USD moving especially normal combination and difference pointer certainly is demonstrating a genuinely present moment in every practical sense. Sell genuinely signal as the MACD line truly is moving beneath commonly signal line which certainly implies especially bears really are overwhelming on the lookout, showing how support by and large is a level at which purchasers explicitly become all things considered, more sort of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of additional in an unpretentious manner. The market for the most part isn't reasonable for bulls and in a real sense bears could for the most part take ADA towards the truly next help at 30 cents, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39, following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time span. Genuinely further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM explicitly has seen a value diminishing of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. There truly had been a kind of regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears